Jeremy studies for 2 hours. Gavin studies for 9,600 seconds. Who studies the longest? Okay, so what I'm seeing is there's Jeremy, and Jeremy studies for 2 hours, and Gavin studies for 9,600 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 hours and find out how many seconds are in this because I am converting a larger unit to smaller units. When I do that, I'm going to be multiplying. Okay, so I'm going to start by knowing that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I'm going to change it first to minutes. So it's going to be hours times minutes, or hours times 60 is going to give me some number of minutes. And then after I do that, I'm going to take that answer and I'm going to say, well, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So that will give me some number of seconds. So this is kind of a two-part problem that I'm doing here. So I'm going to start with inserting 2 hours because hours times 60 is going to give me some minutes. So it's going to be 2 times 60 is going to be 120 minutes. 6 times 2 is 12, and add that 0, so it's 120 minutes. And now that I know that I have 120 minutes, what I can do is insert that where the minutes is. So I'm just inserting my 120 minutes where it says minutes. This is going to be 120 times 60. And that is going to, I'm going to do that work right over here. I'm going to do 120 times 60. And here I have 60 times 20, and that's going to be 1,200. And then I'm going to have 60 times 100, and that is going to be 6,000. So it's 6 times 1 is 6, and then add my zeros. And then I add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So Jeremy has studied for 7,200 minutes. Gavin studies for 9,600. Did you hear what I had to say right there? This is actually seconds. I had 120 minutes, and I figured out there were 7,200 seconds. Okay, so now that I know Jeremy studied for 7,200 seconds, and that Gavin studied for 9,600 seconds, I can say that Gavin studied the longest. If you are watching this video, please write the word video after the word work.